Samsung will likely unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 during its next Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10, 2024. These two upcoming foldable phones are expected to have an improved design with a less visible screen crease. You can now see their design through pictures of their dummy units. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will not look too different from their predecessors. Their design renders were revealed almost 4 months ago, but you can see them again through images of their dummy units. These images were published by 9to5 Google. You can notice that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 now has a boxier design, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will feature rounded corners, similar to its predecessor, and a side-mounted fingerprint reader. It has a dual camera setup. The device will get an upgraded primary rear camera in the form of a 50MP sensor. The phone still has a 3.4-inch OLED cover screen and a 6.7-inch internal foldable screen. It will come with a slightly bigger 4000 mAh battery. Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a big cover screen and has a 6.2-inch OLED cover screen and a 7.6-inch internal foldable screen. Samsung may be bringing a huge camera upgrades to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. We'll see the same 200 MP ISOCELL HP2 camera sensor found on the S24 Ultra. Both phones use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. They will likely run Android 14 based One UI 6.1.1 software out of the box, and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. Both phones will likely be thinner and lighter than their predecessors. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.